Yamaha Psr-E423 keyboard unboxing. It came in that box there, and then that was it, that box there. What we got in here, this was on top. Registered today, weighing £1,000, very very nice. Let's get this baby unboxed then. Oh yes, very nice. Yeah, beauty. Yamaha power supply in there. Oh yes, pull that down there. What's this? Lovely piece of cardboard. Here she is. Right, let's pause and pull this baby out. Oh yes. Very nice. Oh, look. Here she comes. Extremely nice. Oh yes. Let's have a look then. What have we got here? Songs, styles, and that's the other side of styles. What have we got here then? Master volume, demo, performance, loads of buttons, and then the main LCD display. We've got on over this side, music database, all the voices, and there's a select button for that lot. Song, star, music database, voice. Got lots of drum kits and things on the little buttons down here. On the buttons down here. Above the keys down here. Lots of little pictures. Very nice. Quite big keys. Alright, very nice. Let's check the back of it out. Before I check the back of it out, just notice this in the box, which is a music stand which slides into the top there when you take the bag off. That's quite nice. Just got to get myself a proper stand for it now. Let's have a look on the back. We have around this way. Turn it round. Let's have a look. USB. A sustain. You can have a sustain pedal in it. That's quite good. Phones output. You've got to have a 4.5, I think that one. I'm not sure what's called. Like a big headphone socket. Or output to your stereo. And there's the 12-volt DC in. And the Yamaha logo. And the speakers look pretty groovy. Pretty nice speakers. Let's get this baby on and test it out then. Right then, here we go. Power button. Comes on with grand piano. Give it a go. Bit of volume. Obviously got octave piano. Sounds about the same to me. Right, harpsichord. Very nice. Got a hell of a lot on it. That's nice. That sounds lovely, that one does. Quite hard to play with one hand while holding a camcorder though. And you got the old pitch bender down there. Very nice. Cool Galaxy. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Wow. Yes, I do like it. Stay tuned for, well, come back to my YouTube later on and watch out for some music. I might have a few music demos going off. Thanks for watching my Yamaha Psr-E423 keyboard unboxing.